Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a team profile on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, find an agent, and in the top right corner we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile. And of course the search bar in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a team profile on Zillow. So firstly, you need to go and visit the Zillow website and log into your agent account, and then click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Then click on settings from the drop down menu. Then click on management under the team section. After that, click continue to management. So when you click on settings, the settings are here. You have the account settings, and then here you have them. So as you can see, all the settings. Then what you need to go when you've done that, start a new team, create your new team, enter a name for your team and click create team. Go to the team management page, click on add team members, and search for team members by name or location to divide them. Once your team profile is set up, you can manage leads, route the team members, and collect reviews the past sales onto the page. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.